Well, hey, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. And by the way, welcome to this podcast. Just so you know, as Dr. Breakthrough, I can't provide the breakthrough. I just prescribe the breakthrough. However, when people follow the breakthrough prescription, God Almighty provides the breakthrough they desire and deserve. And what's a breakthrough? It's exploding through barriers that at one time seemed insurmountable. You know, my friend, I used to think that barriers were made to stop me. Then I found out barriers were only made to stop those who are not sincere and those who are not committed. But to those of us who are sincerely committed, I believe you are, I know I am, but to those of us who are sincerely committed, here's where I learned. Barriers were made to be broken. And so get ready, my friend. You're going to learn some tips and strategies and techniques going to help you to break through. It's breakthrough time.